Simplify the radical, root 112. So 112 is not a perfect square number, so I can't just take the square root. So to simplify it, the next best thing I can do is ask myself if it has any perfect square factors. So there are any numbers that are perfect squares that divide into 112. So if you don't know off the top of your head, the first thing I might notice about 112 is that it's even. So 4 might go in, right? I can divide it by 2 twice to divide by 4, or I could just do a quick long division, divide by 4, see if 4 divides in. So 4 would go into 11 twice. 2 times 4 is 8, 32. 4 goes into 32 8 times, 28. Ooh, but then 28 also is divisible by 4. So let's see, I'm going to show what I did here. I rewrote 112 as 4 times 28, but 28 is 4 times 7, right? 28 has a factor of 4. So this is the square root of 4 times 7. And 4 times 4 is 16. So this is the square root of 16 times 7. And then I can do square root 16 times square root 7, which is 4 root 7. It's option B.